Railways are an integral part of the day-to-day life of more than 130 crore Indians. The Indian Railway is not only a network of railway lines, it is indeed the lifeline of the nation. With over 67,000 kilometers of railway track, Indian Railway has the second largest rail network in Asia. It is a huge organization employing more than 13 lakh people, engaged in running 20,000 trains a day. Indian Railway carries 22 million people daily. That is equivalent to carrying the entire population of Australia every day. It all began with the first passenger train being run between Thane and Boribandar on 16 April 1853. Let us now take a tour through time to understand the growth and development of railways in India. While Indian Railways continued to make rapid progress in the Indian heartland, connecting major trading hubs and the capital city of Delhi, it was not until 1882 when a disjointed meter-gauge railway line was constructed in Assam, the first in the eastern part of the country. Coal was discovered in Assam in 1828 and a large coal reserve was found near Makum, near Tinsukia, in 1865. But the coal was never commercially extracted until the railway line was built connecting the coal fields to the river port on the river Brahmaputra at Dibrugarh. It was called the Dibru-Sadia Railway or the DSR. At the same time, a narrow gauge railway line was constructed from the plains of Siliguri to the hill town of Darjeeling. The narrow gauge line, known as the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway or the DHR, exists till today and is a fully operational hill railway which was given the World Heritage Site status by UNESCO in 1999. By 1904, Assam-Bengal Railway constructed a railway line connecting Chittagong Port in Bangladesh with DSR via Badarpur, Lumding and Tinsukia. Similarly, by 1910, East Bengal Railway line connected Amin Gaon on the north bank of the Brahmaputra with the rest of the Indian mainland. The Assam-Bengal Railway line from Lumding was extended to Guwahati on the south bank of Brahmaputra opposite Amin Gaon in 1920. Thus, Assam became intricately connected with the rest of the country. The partition and the formation of East Pakistan dealt a body blow to rail connectivity in the region. Direct communication with the rest of India was disrupted. It took Herculean efforts to establish a direct rail connectivity through the Chicken Neck Corridor of the Doers by constructing the Assam-Bengal Rail Link in 1949. After reorganization of the Indian Railway, the present-day North-East Frontier Railway was born in 1958. The headquarters of NF Railway is at Malegaon in Guwahati. Although railway reached the capital city of Guwahati way back in 1920, it took almost 4 more decades to bridge the mighty Brahmaputra at Saraighat and to connect Amin Gaon with Guwahati. The Saraighat Bridge was an engineering marvel and the first bridge across the major river Brahmaputra. Built in little over 3 years, it is a double-decker bridge with railway line at the lower deck. At a depth of more than 74 meters, each of the pillars of the bridge are almost equal to the height of the Qutub Minar. The second bridge over river Brahmaputra was constructed near Jogikopa in 1998. It was again a double-decker bridge with a railway line at the lower deck. In all these years of its existence, NF Railway has been given the mandate of providing railway connectivity to far-flung areas of the Northeast. Despite the difficult terrain and several handicaps in terms of working conditions and accessibility. To meet the demand of a fast-growing economy, as Indian Railway braces to modernize itself, a paradigm shift in track maintenance is also being ushered in. An unprecedented Rs 7,268 crores has been sanctioned in Budget 2018-19 for the procurement of state-of-the-art track machines. With a singular focus on safety, track renewals have been accorded the topmost priority. Efforts are also on to ensure that high-speed trains running at more than 250 kmph connect major cities by 2020. As it marched step by step with the rest of Indian Railways in providing a safe, clean and modern service to the people, All the while, it remained fully engaged in working for proliferation of rail connectivity to newer areas. Already, 7 of the 8 states of the Northeast have been connected with broad gauge rail connectivity. The first train to Arunachal Pradesh started in April 2014. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi flagged off 2 more trains from Naharlagun in February 2015. Meghalaya was connected with BG train in November 2014 when Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi flagged off the first train to Mendipathar. A new line from Tetelia to the capital of Meghalaya at Shillong is also being constructed. Agartala, the capital of Tripura, also found its place on the railway map of India on 31st July 2016 to become the third northeast capital after Guwahati and Naharlagun to get connected to the national capital. Construction is also in progress for a railway line up to Sairang in Mizoram, from Dimapur to Tizit in Nagaland, and from Ziribam to Tipul in Manipur. The tallest pier bridge in the world is also being constructed on the Jiribam-Tupul line. The NF Railway is playing a very important role in the implementation of the Act East policy of the Government of India. International transit points are being constructed with Bangladesh to re-establish connectivity of the Northeast with Chittagong Port in Bangladesh. NFR is also part of the proposed Trans-Asian Railway Network aimed at establishing direct rail connectivity with Southeast Asia via Manipur, Myanmar and Thailand. NF Railway has the great responsibility of realizing the transformational and progressive vision of Indian Railways, and the entire zone is fully committed towards it. As the country marches towards a new dawn of economic growth powered by extensive use of technology, Indian Railways is very actively playing its role as a prime mover. The northeast of India too is ready to be a part of this growth story as it increasingly gets integrated to the national mainstream through a safe and enjoyable railway connectivity.